To enable dynamic lock screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, we need to go to Settings. Then once you open Settings, we're gonna go to Wallpaper and Style. Then in here, you want to choose Change Wallpapers. And then here, if you scroll down, then you should be able to find dynamic lock screen. So let's tap over here. Then you can choose up to 5 categories that should be used to provide you wallpapers. So let's say I'm gonna choose cats. Let's use dogs as well. We're gonna choose the food maybe, and let's stick with these 3. Here below we have some additional settings, like for example, we can download using mobile data, which probably you don't really want to use. And there is auto update option. And these wallpapers change every 2 weeks, or these categories actually provide different wallpapers every 2 weeks. But once we set it up, we should be able to go to the lock screen, and as you can see here, we have a different wallpaper. If we reopen it, once again, we have a different one. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.